So basically, this is our family car. It's really cool, right? Actually, you know, this wouldn't pass in the States at all as far as the law. Well, really, it was a dream in my heart to be on the mission field.
I think my first year was a huge adjustment, more than I thought it would be. It's such a huge adjustment and you're not used to anything. Nothing in Thailand is like Canada, not one thing.
If you're interested in missions and you have a heart for children, I just strongly encourage you to keep the English Outreach Center in mind.
If you're into video, photography, print, writing, anything like that, then you need to contact Continuum and see how God can use you.
We're looking for people who can do what it takes to get up from where they are and come to where we are and fulfill their Great Commission destiny on their lives.